To reset your Windows computer to factory settings, go down to your taskbar and click the Start button. Click on Settings from the Start menu. Once you are in Settings, over here on the left-hand sidebar, click System. Once you go to System, scroll down and click the Recovery option. Over here, you are going to the one that says Reset this PC. Click the Reset PC button. You will see this blue pop up. It's going to ask you if you want to keep your files or remove everything. I strongly recommend you remove everything, as that truly embarrasses a clean reinstall. Just make sure you back up any important personal files, because once the reset process is done, all that will be gone. Let's choose local reinstall from here. These are the settings we selected. Go ahead and click Next. It's telling you all the things that will happen when you reset your computer. This is the final step between you and the reset process. Go ahead and hit the reset button. You will see the percentage that is preparing for the reset process. The reset process will last a bit longer and your computer will restart a couple times. After the reset is complete, you will kind of be dropped into the Windows installation screen to set up your computer just as you would on a brand new device. That's pretty much how you reset a Windows device to factory settings.